Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Nick in North Carolina on this Anytone at-6666. Nick, got it ready to go for you, bud. Just like your other one, tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, also the erf2030 plus finals, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. It's good to go, man. I'm just playing around here with some of the settings. There's all kinds of settings here. High cut filters. There's your echo, 10kc, Roger beep, all kinds of toys. Alright, Nick, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. This right here comes in around 4 watts all the way down. 19 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Floating around 73, 74 average. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 125 PEP. Let's roll on over here to sideband real quick. 250 watt slug. Hello. Just a little shy of 125. Alright, Nick's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.